For the past 2 months, the market has been riddled with nothing short of news of the crazy bearish situation of the crypto market. Dogecoin had a rough session of its own as it struggled with the grim reaper of the bears that held virtually all cryptocurrencies by their neck and tried to snuff out whatever life the crypto market had gained in the bullish run of the first 4 months of the year. Today on Crypto Fox, we'll be looking at the potential Dogecoin and Ethereum bridge. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Dogecoin's bullish run extended a bit longer than the other cryptocurrencies in the market. It persisted in the green for around 48 hours after the other cryptocurrencies slipped into the green zone. From then on, it experienced a dramatic dip that saw it fall 70% lower than its all-time high. Depending on the angle of the market, critics argued whether it was the worst-performing crypto in the market. But stepping back a bit further, Bitcoin experienced a much larger dip than Dogecoin ever did. Most altcoins didn't lose as much as Bitcoin did. At the last month's market activity, Bitcoin almost returned to $25,000, which was its price when 2021 started out. On account of Bitcoin's great fall and the observed interdependence of altcoins on the price action of Bitcoin, critics suggest that most altcoins could very well fall close to their price level in a way that is similar to that of Bitcoin. But exceptions were made of Ethereum as the leading utility coin, also Cardano and a host of other utility cryptocurrencies. Not that they wouldn't dip, but they would have a good standing base than Bitcoin itself. Well, for Dogecoin, you can imagine the predictions of doom. The predictions were almost similar to the theories that were made up about XRP prior to the onset of the Ripple and SEC lawsuit. XRP was said to be doomed to go back down to zero, but that never happened. Dogecoin's price action was also said to have no legs to stand on due to its lack of utility. We feel like the only animosity against Dogecoin is because of its beginnings as a meme currency. Looking aside from that, the question is there any other cryptocurrency other than Dogecoin that's just like Bitcoin? Dogecoin technically follows the framework of Bitcoin in terms of being a currency-only crypto and not being applied as a base currency for blockchains or utility platforms and apps such as Ethereum, Polkadot, and Cardano. Like Bitcoin, it's being used as a payment option by more companies than any other altcoin. It even became the most discussed cryptocurrency for over 2 months, beating both Bitcoin and Ethereum hands down. In terms of trading volume, Dogecoin is enviable for most cryptocurrencies. Its incredible trading volume across the few exchanges on which it has been enlisted makes it a drool-worthy option for the ones that had stalled in adding it to their platform. This inspired the action of Coinbase to quickly add Dogecoin to their platform so they can enjoy the bustling activity of Dogecoin, which other exchanges such as Robinhood and Binance have been earning from. The coin was first deployed on their Coinbase Pro platform for their pro users, and it raked in huge activity and Dogecoin's price leaped as well. As expected, Coinbase brought huge growth to the trading volume of Dogecoin, and it grew to about $253 billion in June. Point of it all is to highlight the huge potential that people in several quarters see in Dogecoin that made them accept it. Others would continue to hate and ridicule it, but those that profit from it do so nonetheless. No cap, the crypto market is free for all. The probability of Dogecoin and Ethereum working together has been discussed since May of 2021. That was around the time when there were discussions about the suggestions of upgrades that could be done to improve Dogecoin. Elon Musk put forward the question on his Twitter page, and he got rave responses, one of which includes that of Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum. Vitalik Buterin is an interesting character in the crypto market. Aside from being the CEO of Ethereum, he also doubles as an investor that believes in other cryptocurrencies. You could try to pop up with the top celebs that have talked about Dogecoin and you'd find it figuratively innumerable. Buterin, while being the champion behind Ethereum, used to hold Dogecoin, or maybe he still does. When that news came out, he stated that he had a certain amount of Dogecoins and he used the gains off the stash for charity. So yeah, he is a Doge enthusiast like you and I. He would at first look like an adversary for Dogecoin, or even Elon Musk. The only real betrayal that people have noticed is the creation of Shiba Inu by the Ethereum network. Obviously, it was a coin built to specifically rival Dogecoin, another meme cryptocurrency just like Dogecoin, not to mention others like Akita alongside other Doge-related cryptocurrencies. These Doge replicas are nothing but shadow mimics that were created using the Ethereum network. But the possibility of a Dogecoin and Ethereum bridge has been discussed since April. Vechain posted an article talking about how Dogecoin can be redeveloped with better features. One of the solutions provided was the introduction of Dogecoin as a token on the upcoming Ethereum 2.0 network. It meant a lot of things at that time, but the first thing that rang a bell was the use case situation of Doge as a token. It was thought that with Doge on the Ethereum network, it would be of help to Ethereum more than it would help Doge. But having it there is a plus for Dogecoin. The most likely outcome is the declaration of a Dogecoin-powered token for a rendering DeFi projects on the prospective Ethereum 2.0. The Doge tokens would become available for trading, and as it gains traction, so does its main currency. Dogecoin can go about being the currency it was meant to be as it drifts closer to becoming a mainstream crypto. This action would give Dogecoin some solidity in terms of utility. The problem of not having a distinct blockchain of its own on which functional blockchain projects can be established. The latest Dogecoin analysis pegs the coin maintaining a bit of solidity around the 20 cents mark. It's showing some incredible consolidation, and this has kept Doge investors happy, especially those who came in at a lower entry price. Others are still holding on for a return to higher levels. They might have to wait a bit longer, as an analyst has suggested that there is a potential of a slight dip that may be about 20% of its current value. The last dip kept it down for over 6 weeks. Dogecoin gained about 30% to rise above the bearish channel it was stuck in for over a month. It's taken the outlook of a bullish move, though minimal, and it has to gain a lot of traction or Doge will be in for a fallback into its descending channel. Focusing on the potential bullish outlook, Dogecoin is positioned to break out on the upside with its head geared towards breaking the resistance set at 25 cents first, before a surge to above 30 cents. If it breaks into that range, the likelihood of a potential bullish run is further confirmed, though we will have to wait for it to go above 40 cents. Its major support now lies at around 16 cents and the minor support set between 14 and 15 cents, with 3 resistances set at 3 different price levels. A fall to those levels seems pretty unlikely right now. But should the coin fall to lower levels, 2 new resistance levels will be formed. The first resistance set at 19 cents, while the higher resistance is set at 27 cents. Lying above it is a major resistance at 29 cents, which, as indicated on the chart, would kickstart a major revival if the price holds. The direction of Dogecoin from this point can be left for discourse of the analysts and critics. Investors can only wait and hodl, show every bit of loyalty in these trying times as we dream of the resumption of glorious moves that only Dogecoin can replicate. The chances of a sell-off keep increasing the longer it consolidates, hence it's not surprising if people anticipated a surge early. This is expected to keep people in the Dogecoin market. An overbought scenario is more favorable than an oversold situation. It was what exposed Dogecoin to dip after the SNL flop in May. More consolidation of Dogecoin is expected to push Dogecoin much higher than this for more benefits in the short and long term. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hollywood Carson.